By organizing, I mean you already identified your goals and scheduled, probably with the use of apps or digital platforms, your tasks. Yet you seem failing at structuring, protecting, and adjusting your time to the changing environment around you. To address this challenge with the aim of becoming more efficient, resulting in speed of your output, and effective, resulting in quality of your output, I encourage you to start doing the following. Number one, remind yourself that time is scarce, valuable, and can't be spent on nice to haves. Number two, monitor how you use your time and how you adjust to changes in priorities. For example, do you set contingency plans? Number three, avoid multitasking to prevent efficiency loss, as researchers indicate our brain can only focus on one thing at a time. Number four, know your preference when it comes to time allocation. For example, are you more productive in the morning? Number five, measure how good you are in assessing the time needed for your tasks and adjust if needed. Number six, identify time wasters and block them. This is much relevant to our days where digital notifications never stop. So these were my 6 tips for you, and I would love to hear any other tip you have to managing time. Thank you.